Hello students, welcome back to your online classes. And today we will start with a new topic, Omana's Journey. Page number 47, chapter 6. So let's start. Omana and her best friend Radha were very excited. Omana and Radha, they both were best friends, okay? And they were very excited. Excited means they were very happy or overjoyed, okay? They were going on a train trip to Kerala. So these both friends, where they were going? They were going to Kerala by a train, okay? On a trip. Omana was going to her grandmother's house and Radha was going with her family for a holiday. So, why Omana was going to Kerala? Omana was going to Kerala to her grandmother's house and Radha was going with their family to spend their holidays in Kerala, okay? Omana's father had gone to book train tickets for both the families. So, their both families were going to Kerala. So, Omana's father went to book the train ticket for both Omana's family as well as Radha's family, okay? Then, just 2 days before their journey, Radha fell down from her bicycle and fractured her right leg. So 2 days before their journey, what happened? Radha fell down from her bicycle, okay? And Radha got fractured in her right leg. Her leg was put in plaster. So now Radha got fractured in her leg. So now her leg is plastered, okay? The doctor said that she should not move her leg for 6 weeks. So doctor told Radha that now she could not walk with her leg, okay, for 6 weeks. Radha's family had to cancel their tickets. So Radha fell down and got fractured in her leg. So because of that, Radha's family had to cancel the train tickets, okay. The two friends were very sad, and that time Omana and Radha, they both were very sad, means they were disheartened, okay. They had made so many plans about what they would do together on the trip, and beforehand only Radha and Omana, they both made so many plans, okay, what they will do in a trip. Then Radha's Emma had an idea. So Radha's Emma thought of a new idea, okay. Omana, why don't you write down everything about your trip in a diary? Radha's mother said to Omana that, Omana, why can't she write down everything about her trip in a diary, okay? Then when you come back, Radha can read all about your trip. And when Omana comes back from a trip, Radha can read everything in her diary, okay? This way you will not forget everything and it will also help you to pass the time on the train. And if Omana writes everything about her trip on a diary, what she can do? She will not forget anything, okay? And when she write everything in her diary, it will help her to pass the time on the train. Both the friends thought this was a good idea. So Omana and Radha thought that this was the best idea, okay? Omana went home and found a notebook with blank pages to write all about her journey. And Omana went back to her home, and in her home she found a notebook with blank pages, okay, so that she can write about everything about her journey in that notebook. Here are some pages from Omana's diary for you to read. Okay, now we'll move on to the next page. Here we'll come to learn about Omana's diary. That means what Omana has written about her journey. We will come to know about it. Okay. Now Omana's diary. Now the date is 16th May. Okay. As soon as we had reached the station, we checked our names on reservation chart. So when Omana's family reached the station, first what they did, they checked their names on the reservation chart. Okay. Soon the train reached the time, and then after some time the train came to the platform. Okay. We saw that the coach was already full, and when the train reached the station, they saw that the coach was already full. The train had started early in the morning from Gandhidham in Kuch, and this train started its journey early in the morning from Gandhidham. Okay, this place is in Kuch. When the train came, there was so much confusion, and when the train reached the platform, there was so much confusion. Okay, people were getting off and others were pushing and trying to put their luggage inside, all from one door. So why they had to face so much confusion? Because some people were coming out and some people were getting inside, and they were pushing each other. Okay, and some were trying to put their luggage inside, and some were taking their luggage out. So they were doing everything from one door. So that is the reason they found so much confusion. Okay, we somehow managed to get in, find our seats and put luggage under them, but somehow Omana's family, they get inside the train and they found their seats and they put their luggage under those seats. Okay, by the time the train started, and by that time the train started. Okay, most people had found their seats and arranged their luggage, and now most of the people have they found their seats and they have arranged their luggage under those seats. Okay, after some time the ticket collector came and checked our tickets to see that we were in our proper seats. And if you have traveled in train, you have seen that after some times ticket collector comes, no, what they will do, they will check the tickets. Okay, in the same way ticket collector came and they check their tickets, that whether they are in the proper seats or not. Okay, Emma and Appa had the lower berths, and this one Omana's father and mother, they got the lower berths. Berth means a fixed bed on a train. Okay, on a train or ship or other means of transport. Unni and I have the middle berths, and Unni and Omana got the middle berths. Okay, middle bed. There are two college students who have the upper berths, and in the upper berths there were two college students. On the other berths there is a family with two children, and on the opposite side of the berth there was a family along with two children. Okay, they seem to be about our age, and these two children were of the same age like Unni and Omana. Okay, I will go and talk to them later. And here Omana is saying that now later she will go to them and she wants to talk with them. Okay, now I am sitting near the window, and I have started writing about our journey just as I promised you. Because Omana had said that said to Radha's mother that she will write everything about her journey in a diary. Now so she is sitting near the window and she had started writing about her journey. Okay, I will stop now because Emma had opened the tiffin box. Now Omana will stop writing because Omana's mother had opened the tiffin box. Okay. Emma had packed a lot of food. Dokla with chutney, lemon rice and some mithai. Omana's mother had packed a lot of food. Okay, and the food items are dokla with chutney, lemon rice and some sweets are there. Okay. My mouth is watering. I will write more later. So after seeing all these food items, what happened? Omana's mouth is filled with water. Okay. So now she will write more about her journey later. Okay. Now let's do the exercise. Why was it so crowded at the door of the coach? Means the door of the coach, why it was so crowded? Because people will come out from the same door and some people will get inside. No, that is the reason you have to write. Have you ever traveled in a train? When? And if you have traveled in a train, then you have to write yes, and when you have traveled. What food would you like to take with you when you travel? Why? And when you are traveling, what are the food items that you want to take with you? You have to write those items and you have to write the reasons why you want to take those foods. Okay. Why does the ticket checker do? Sorry. What does the ticket checker do? Means that in train ticket checker comes. No. What does that person do? You have to write. How will you recognize the ticket checker? And the question says that how will you come to know that this is the ticket checker? You have to write. Okay. So students, I will send these answers in WhatsApp. Okay. You will copy everything in your notebooks. Whatever I will send you, you copy everything neatly in your notebooks. Hope so. Till here you have understood, and we will continue in the next video. Okay. Thank you.